There are many ways to grill outdoors, right? And one of them is to do it with a rotating grill or spit. Well, this ingenious individual conceived the idea while out on a bike ride. Inspired by the spinning motion of the wheels, he couldn't wait to get back to his workshop and start tinkering. Of course, his trusty bike was destined to become a key component of this unique project. The man began by repurposing an old stainless steel sink as the foundation of his grill. He then welded a pair of metal tubes to the sides of the sink to provide stability. To achieve the rotating element, he employed 2 bicycle wheels, stripped of their rims. The man meticulously welded the final pieces of the metal support, ensuring a sturdy and secure frame. He then applied a vibrant coat of red paint, giving the grill a striking and eye-catching finish. On the other hand, he dismantled one of the bike wheels, removing the chain. This chain was then connected to another pre-prepared chain. With a few more metal pipes, he constructed a rectangular frame and attached it to the grill. The bike frame, now minus its front wheel, was secured to this structure. Finally, he meticulously aligned the long chain connecting the bike to the grill wheel. This ingenious setup would be the driving force behind the grill's rotation. See, this system is amazing. I would never have imagined that the same system that makes a bicycle turn could be used to turn other things, and that it could also be used for cooking. But how would the food be cooked there without falling over? This man had thought of everything. He used those kitchen utensils that are used to grill fish. First, he added a metal mesh to the rotating piece, and on top of this, he added the utensils, cut off the handles, and voila! That same evening, the handyman lit the fire for a delicious dinner. Since the guy is a vegetarian, he dressed some of his favorite vegetables and placed them on the grill, mounted his bike, and started pedaling, making the grill spin. And just like that, he had the most delicious vegetarian barbecue of his life. Leave us your opinion on this project in the comments, and share the video with your friends who are fans of crafts.